Hi there, fellow traders. Mauro here, back again with another video. Um, this is the loonie, US dollar, Canadian dollar. It's the 4 hour time frame, and we just broke the neckline of the head and shoulders. I showed you guys the other night. Um, and price is going down as expected. I tried to take this trade the other day. I was expecting price a little bit higher, but it actually turned around at this order block right here. Um, I was when I saw it, it was kind of too late for me to analyze everything and contemplate everything. Um, it's been a drainful week for me, and my wife wasn't here. But anyways, not trying to make any excuses, but all in all, you know I was unfortunate enough to be in any trades this week. So today I tried dearly again to jump in because I pretty much knew what was gonna go on. I had somewhat of a conviction it would drop, so I placed the order to sell this swing from this swing here, this order block, right around the sweet spot level. There's a bearish order block. The sorry about this. Um, there's a bearish order block sitting right here. So yeah, I tried to take it, but I wasn't fortunate enough to jump in and get the move. Um, the real deal was the other day when I actually posted the video. But anyways, um, I expect this pair to drop a lot. So we measure the top to the neckline, and we can project pretty much where it might drop. So yeah, right around here. And also we have a bullish order block down here, sitting right here, sitting right over here. So all in all, it could be a nice idea to buy here too, the US dollar against the loonie. But yeah, I do expect price to drop towards the 1.0770 level, about that. Yeah, and it was a nice breakout with the Canadian news. Yeah, but everything in sync, everything going as I thought it would go. So yeah, I just wasn't fortunate enough to catch the move. Um, had I had I caught this move, we'll be probably talking about what, 240 pips trade. But anyways, you can't catch them all. Trying my best to stay as focused as I can on trading. But yeah, I have wife, 2 kids, and someday I'll have the time just to focus 100% on this, and then do my best. But anyways, moving on a side note, the pound dollar, today I made a comment on my thread that it had reached 79 retracement level in the order block. It actually made it to the 79 level, but not quite to the order block. But anyways, you can see um, a drop here, and it found a bullish order block, a 1 hour bullish order block. Excuse me, a daily chart order block right here. Probably more visible on the 4 hour. See this bearish candle before the thrust up. Yeah, see where price touched it perfectly. And yeah, if you take into account this retracement, it reached the 75 excuse me, it reached the 75 retracement level. So yeah, um, this is so I guess we could see the pound going a little bit above this high again, and then into this order block, and then you know, we could expect another drop. That's what at least I expect it to be. Um, so yeah, you could be working either way with it today. Pretty very a lot of volatility going on in the pound dollar pair. But yeah, maybe next week we'll see things settle down, and then try to assess what is best. But yeah, my guess here, my wild guess here, and we're not in the guessing game, but if you look at the daily chart, you see price dropping convincingly from this level, from the pretty much the 50 level, 65.50 level, and this order block here. See how price dropped convincingly. So my guess is that we'll see market driving price up here, and then try to bring it down again. So, and everybody's pretty much saying, oh, okay, the pound is going up, so let's buy it. It's going strong again. The polls are over. Scotland is not going away. So yeah, we're, you know, and whenever that happens, I tend to think otherwise. I tend to think that banks and institutions, they're making people drive in the direction they want it for them to be driven to. So yeah, I still expect price to reach this level, the 50 level. It's a round number. It's a round level, and yeah, um, this is what I think is gonna happen. Um, this is a yeah. See, price didn't quite make it to the order block. Um, so I pretty much expect price to go a little bit higher, and then drop convincingly. If you look at euro is not making higher highs. Um, so yeah, even though today there was a nice retracement for a buy, but I'm not buying the euro, so I'm still not convinced that we're through the US dollar bullishness. Yeah, so a lot of things that can play out. It was nice to see almost real time, actually real time, the Canadian dollar going on. It's not a pattern that you see every day. It hadn't showed this pattern, so yeah, pretty nice price action this week as usual. All right, guys. Thanks again, and I'll keep it coming. Later. Bye bye.